How to generate a video on Studio DID.
First, to that, let's click on this creative video right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see in here the avatar that you can use. So there are actually some premium avatars, avatars that you have created, as well as standard avatars that are not paid. For example, for this one, let's head over and use this particular avatar right here. Now in here, you can actually choose their location or their emotion. You can make them happy, you can make them serious, surprise, and likes as well. So you can also make them lively if you want, and you can change out the name. Now under the script right here, you can put in here a text or an audio that will actually be its actual limit. So for example, you can use this one right here. So for example, let's head over and then put in here this one. And then from in there, you can also choose the speed as well as the background and text. Now from in there, head over and click on this generate video right here in order to actually generate the video. So on some cases, if you're run out of credits, what you can do is you can upgrade right here on your credits. And once you have upgraded, you should be able to generate in here a video for this particular avatar.
So that's how you generate a video on Studio DID. Hope we helped.